Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about floating and sinking. Floating and sinking is totally dependent on density. Density is how close the particles are, as we have learned yesterday. So I have a block of wood and a block of iron of the same volume in my hand. So I had put in both of them in water. The block of wood will float and the block of iron will sink. Why? Because the density of iron is much more than water and the density of the block of wood is much less than water. That's why this happens. Now let's take a look to Archimedes' principle. In Archimedes' principle, there are two main things which decide whether an object will float or sink. Upthrust and weight of the object. If the upthrust is more than the weight of the object, then the object will float, and if the upthrust is less than the weight of the object, then the object will sink. So upthrust is what? The amount of water displaced is upthrust. It is also known as buoyant force. So, suppose I have a brick and a wood of the same volume in my hand. I have put them in water. So, they both displace 1 liter water. So, means they both displace 1 liter water and the weight of 1 liter water is 0.9 kg. Which is 900 grams. The upthrust is 900 grams. Now the weight of the brick is 2 kgs. Means the weight is more than the upthrust. So in this case the brick will sink. But the weight of the wooden block is 0.8 kgs. So in this case the upthrust is more, so the wooden block will float. Now you will have a question in your mind, how a big cruise ship made of iron floats on water, but it's so heavy? Because this is a ship and it has a lot of empty space inside full of air, so its density is a lot less than the density of water. That's why it floats. So that's why it floats. So I had a ball of clay in my hand. I had put it in water and it sank. But I had made a shape of boat with that amount of clay only, and only that clay, and it floats. Why? Because same phenomenon, the air is trapped between, so the density is less, so it will float on water. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share to my channel.